Today, we're diving into a topic that's been generating a lot of buzz in the health and wellness community: berberine. This golden yellow compound found in plants like goldenseal, barberry, and Oregon grape has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine. But what exactly is it? And why are so many people talking about it now? Stick around because we're going to explore the top health benefits of berberine, as well as some important side effects you need to be aware of. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is berberine? Berberine is an alkaloid, which is a naturally occurring chemical compound found in several plants. It's been traditionally used in Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine primarily for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Recently, modern science has started to confirm what ancient healers knew all along: that berberine can have significant health benefits. So let's break down the most impressive ones. 1. One of the most talked about benefits of berberine is its ability to help control blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that berberine can be just as effective as some diabetes medications in lowering blood glucose. It works by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing the production of glucose in the liver. This makes it a powerful tool for people with type 2 diabetes or those who are pre-diabetic. 2. Next up is weight loss. Berberine has been shown to activate an enzyme called AMPK, which is often referred to as the body's metabolic master switch. AMPK boosts metabolism and helps the body burn fat more efficiently. Several studies have reported that people taking berberine experience significant reductions in body mass index and belly fat. 3. Berberine also has a positive impact on cholesterol levels. It can reduce LDL, or bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL, or good cholesterol. By improving lipid profiles, berberine may help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. 4. Beyond cholesterol management, berberine offers several other benefits that contribute to heart health. It helps reduce blood pressure by promoting the dilation of blood vessels and reducing arterial stiffness, which lowers the strain on the heart. Berberine also has anti-arrhythmic properties, helping to stabilize heart rhythms. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects protect the cardiovascular system from damage caused by chronic inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are major contributors to heart disease. 5. Hypertension or high blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Berberine helps regulate blood pressure by promoting the relaxation of blood vessels, which lowers resistance to blood flow and reduces blood pressure. This vasodilatory effect is partially due to berberine's ability to increase nitric oxide production, a molecule that helps blood vessels relax. Additionally, berberine's ability to lower blood sugar, improve cholesterol levels, and reduce inflammation further supports its role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. By helping to manage hypertension, berberine can reduce the risk of cardiovascular events and support overall heart health. 6. Berberine is a potent antimicrobial, which means it can help maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in your gut. It's particularly effective against harmful bacteria, fungi, and parasites, making it beneficial for gut health and treating conditions like small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. 7. The liver plays a critical role in detoxification, metabolism, and digestion, and berberine has been shown to support liver function in several ways. It reduces fat accumulation in the liver, which is particularly beneficial for individuals with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, a condition characterized by excess fat in the liver. Berberine improves insulin sensitivity and reduces inflammation in the liver, which can prevent or even reverse the progression of NAFLD. Additionally, by lowering cholesterol and triglyceride levels, berberine reduces the liver's workload, helping maintain its overall health and function. 8. Polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, is a common hormonal disorder in women marked by excess insulin and testosterone production and chronic low-grade inflammation that can contribute to insulin resistance, infertility, and the development of small ovarian cysts. While there's no cure for PCOS, studies show berberine supplementation may improve hormonal health in women with PCOS by lowering testosterone, insulin, and fasting blood sugar levels and improving cholesterol health in this population. 9. Preliminary studies suggest berberine's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial attributes may support gut health in those with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and other inflammatory bowel diseases. One study found that taking 400 milligrams of berberine daily divided into two 200 milligram doses for 8 weeks resulted in significant improvements in diarrhea frequency and urgency and abdominal pain in patients with diarrhea-predominant IBS. While these preliminary results are promising, more high-quality studies are needed to determine whether berberine might be a good natural treatment option for those with IBS and other inflammatory bowel diseases. 10. Canker sores are ulcers inside the mouth that have been linked to local trauma, stress, hormone changes, micronutrient deficiencies, and viral infections. They are both common and uncomfortable and affect roughly 10% of individuals. They often heal on their own, but early evidence suggests berberine may help them heal faster. One study found applying a gel with 5 milligrams of berberine 4 times a day for 5 days significantly reduced the size and pain of canker sores compared to a placebo. Given this, berberine gelatin may be a safe and effective treatment for helping canker sores heal faster. 11. Last but certainly not least, berberine is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are at the root of many chronic diseases, from heart disease to cancer. Berberine can help mitigate these processes, contributing to overall health and longevity. Now, as amazing as berberine sounds, it's important to talk about the potential side effects and precautions. Just because something's natural doesn't mean it's free from risks. So here are some things to keep in mind if you're considering adding berberine to your routine. 1. Gastrointestinal issues. One of the most common side effects of berberine is gastrointestinal discomfort. This can include symptoms like constipation, diarrhea, gas, and stomach pain. To minimize these effects, it's often recommended to start with a lower dose and gradually increase it. 2. Interaction with medications. Berberine can interact with several medications, especially those that lower blood sugar and blood pressure. If you're on medication for diabetes, hypertension, or any other chronic condition, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before starting berberine. The last thing you want is for your blood sugar or blood pressure to drop too low. 3. Not recommended during pregnancy or breastfeeding. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid berberine as it can cross the placenta and be passed into breast milk. This could potentially harm the baby, so it's best to steer clear unless advised otherwise by a doctor. 4. Lowering blood pressure too much. While lowering blood pressure can be beneficial, taking too much berberine, especially in combination with other blood pressure lowering medications, can cause it to drop too low. Symptoms of hypotension include dizziness, fainting, and blurred vision. To sum it up, berberine is a powerful natural compound with a range of health benefits, but it's not without its risks. Always start with a lower dose, consult your healthcare provider, and monitor how your body reacts. So is berberine right for you? It could be, especially if you're looking for natural ways to manage blood sugar, lose weight, or improve your heart and gut health. But like with any supplement, it's essential to do your research and talk to a healthcare professional. Finally, if you want to consume berberine, it's found in the roots and rhizomes of various plants, including barberry, Oregon grape, goldenseal, and tree turmeric, but is most often consumed as a supplement. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more health tips and wellness advice. Thanks for watching, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on the amazing health benefits of baking soda water.